Alright, other week and let's see kung sino yung mga pwede nating kopyahan. Okay? So, maraming movement na nangyari the past few weeks, especially very volatile. And it's our time to take advantage of this volatility. Okay? If we don't try, no, if we don't uh, take the risk, so wala rin, wala rin yung mga volatility na yan, na opportunities natin. Okay? So again, I would like to start with low risk and stable returns. So dito tayo nakakakita ng mga uh, maayos, no, na pasok sa ating criteria. Okay. So I'd like to check itong mga nasa top, no, low risk and stable return. Number one, Infinite Money Flood, and he's got 114 out of the 500 na nagka-copy. So let's see kung pasok siya sa ating criteria. Right, so risk band is quite high and YTD returns, so probably maliit na account ito at the very first. Started January and merong malaking movement last March. Okay, max drawdown, hindi pinapakita. Yan. It's a no-no for us, no? Kung ano man yan, still not a good sign for us. 30% profit sharing, quite high. And okay, so if you wanna take risk for this, mukha namang tumataas siya, no? Wala pa naman siya negative so far. We can at least give it at least 5% of our capital. Okay? 5 or 10%. Very low lang despite na maganda yung kanyang uh, performance, no? But this is actually risky, no? Win rate is 83.70 and profit sharing is 30. Okay? And balik tayo sa ating filter. Yan. Pwede natin filterin yan, no? So, wristband. Okay, and si Profit in crisis, nagkakapi sa kanya. Yan. He just started. Okay, so di natin yan. And let's see, ito si Gold Waterfall. 0.48, which is a good sign, max drawdown. Started February, nag-provide na sa atin ng magandang data dito. Yan, 582% year to date, which is good, no? Ganda. Yan, daily PNL, all right? Long and short and kompleto lahat, no? 78% win rate, which is really good. Profit sharing is 15. Okay? This is a this is a good strategy provider, no? Okay. So, if I am going to copy this, no? I'm gonna give it at least 30%. 30 or 40%. It is very nice. Ayan. Ganda ng performance. Max drawdown, 15 for the whole year. Okay? So, ibig sabihin talaga nagko-close siya ng trades, di siya nag-hedging, and hindi siya prone to wipe out. Okay? Let's check ito si Dino Scalping. Okay, 1,000%, 55% max drawdown. Okay, so medyo out na tayo dito. Si Dino Scalping. Hanap tayo ng medyo mababa pa na risk, no? We don't want to have that kind of ito si Geo Horizon Funds, which is lagi natin nakikita. 14%, which is still acceptable. Still quite profitable and really just so moderate, no? Medyo okay naman siya. And ang dami yung nagtitiwala sa kanya, no? 25%. Okay, so I'm gonna give it at least 10% again. Okay, so lagi natin ito nakikita si Geo Horizon Funds, which is yun, maganda yung performance niya eh. New boss return is quite high. Si Pacman Smart Cat. Okay. Max drawdown 2.8. So wow. Yan ang magandang ano natin, no? And ito, November pa siya nag-start, which gives us enough data, 37% year to date, which is still okay, no? So for me, still okay yan, no? 37%. Nag-negative lang ng 1.69 as of date si Pacman, no? Okay. So 25% profit sharing, it's still a good copy. For me, I can still give this 10. If I am going to compare this with G Horizon funds, G Horizon funds still better because it gives better year to date. Okay, but this one gives a stable um, return. Okay, and we're quite safe because of the max drawdown, very low. Yeah. So, ayun, no, titignan mo rin, no, max drawdown on a yearly basis, 16%, which is still acceptable because this is already yearly. Okay? So, those are the copy strategy providers that we can copy so far. No? So, G Horizon Funds, si Pacman SmartCAD, and which one's the first one? So, balik tayo dun. Tayo kay low risk. Yan. Ito, napakataas, no? Hidden yung mga ano. Okay, so it's very risky to copy this high win rate, high monthly return, but it's really up to you. It's really up to you. Check lang rin natin to si Master Gold AI. Max drawdowns 0.42 gives YTD started March 25%. This one is better si Master Gold AI as compared dun sa huli natin tingnan. Okay? As compared kay Pacman. Okay, so that's it. That's it, guys, for our copy trading segment. And if you want to learn how to trade manually or trade on your own, analyze the market, you can join our Telegram community. There's trade ideas there, trade signals, and everything. So I hope to see you there.